The Arm & Hammer Pro Plus Deep Clean Battery Toothbrush for Adults is a reliable oral care product that provides thorough cleaning performance. With its convenient design and features, this toothbrush stands out in the market. Manufactured by Church & Dwight. Personal care. This toothbrush is not discontinued, demonstrating its ongoing popularity. The product dimensions of 7.1 into 1.8 into 9.9 inches make it a compact and practical choice for everyday use. It weighs 10.86 ounces, ensuring a lightweight feel during brushing sessions. The item model number is 7668780022156, and it requires 2 AA batteries included for operation. The battery-powered operation offers convenience and portability, making it ideal for travel or daily use. This toothbrush was first available on August 8, 2016, showcasing its established presence in the market. Its ASIN is B01K0X5ZY2, with the country of origin being the USA. The Arm & Hammer Pro Plus Deep Clean Battery Toothbrush for Adults has garnered positive feedback.